Hello, students. We have finished the lesson Vivadaha Vinashaya. So, today we will look at the question answers of the lesson. We'll see first one line answers. एकवाक्येन संस्कृतभाषया उत्तरं लिखत. In a sentence, write the answers in a sentence in Sanskrit language only. Okay? Kapinjalaha kutra vasati sma? Where did Kapinjala stayed? The meaning of the question is, where did Kapinjala stayed? Vrikshasya adhastat. Answer is, see that, vrikshasya adhastat. Okay. Second question. Chatakasya nama kim? What is the name of sparrow? Kapinjala is the answer. Third one. Kapinjalaha kimartham anyam desham gataha? Why did Kapinjala went to another place? Pranayatrartham. To fill his stomach, to get food, he went to another place. So Kapinjalaha kimartham manyam desham gataha? Pranayatrartham. Okay. Fourth one. Shigragaha kaha? Who is Shigraga? Shigraga, it is a rat. Rat's name. Shashakaha. Shashakaha means rat. Sorry, not rat, rabbit. Okay. Shashakapinjalayoho vivada nirnayakaha kaha? Who was the judge for to decide the quarrel between Shasha and Kapinjala? Shasha means, that is also rabbit. Rabbit and Kapinjala means sparrow. Who was the judge of the quarrel of the sparrow and rabbit? Aranya Marjaraha. Aranya Marjaraha is the answer. Okay. Now we move to question number second. द्वित्रैः वाक्यैः संस्कृत भाषया कन्नड़ भाषया वा उत्तरं लिखत. Answer the question with 2-3 line answer, 2-3 lines in your chosen language, Sanskrit, Kannada or English. Vayasaha sodvegam kim achintayat? The meaning of the question is, what did crow thought eagerly? What did crow thought eagerly? Okay. Then, Shashakapinjalayoho vasasthana vishayakaha kalaha kaha? What is the matter of quarrel between Shasha and Kapinjala, rabbit and sparrow? Okay. Vivadaha vinashaya iti patasya shirshikam samarthayata. Vivadaha vinashaya iti patasya shirshikam samarthayata. What does the title of the lesson or Vivadaha vinashaya summarize the heading of the lesson. Okay, it should be for Dashavakyahi, this question, but the textbook only they given in the 2-3 line answers. Just write. The moral of the lesson is we should not fight with each other. If we fought, then we also will have the life like Shashaya and Kapinjala. This much you have to write. Okay. Question number 3. Marjarasya Dharmopadeshaha. What was the address about Dharma given by cat? What was the address given by cat about Dharma? Then it is for 5 marks. Marjaraha Shashakapinjalo Katham Vyapadayati. How does cat killed sparrow and how did cat killed sparrow and rabbit? Just explain it. Explain the summary of that portion. Okay. Then we'll move to RCs. Reference to context. पाठनाम उल्लिख्य कहा कम प्रति अवदत् इति संस्कृत भाषया लिखत. Write mention the lesson name and write who told this line to whom. Okay. मया दृष्टव्योऽयं न्यायः. पाठः विवादः विनाशाय. Who told this? Crow told himself. Crow told. That much only you write. Kakaha atmanam prati avadat. Okay. Then nanu swabhavato asmakam shatrubhutoyam asti. This person is naturally our enemy. How can we believe in him? How can we believe him? Like this, who asked? To whom? Kapinjalaha Shashakam prati avadat. Kapinjalaha Shashakam prati avadat. Sparrow told to rabbit. Yo hinavadi sate bhakshaha. Shashak Kapinjalo both told to Marjaraha. Shashakapinjalo Marjaram prati avadatam. Okay. Then Ahimsa eva dharma margaha. Marjara told to Shashakapinjalo. Marjaraha Shashakapinjalo prati avadat. Tannaham bhakshayishyami. This is also told by Marjara to Shashakapinjalo. Marjaraha Shashakapinjalo prati avadat. Then question number 5. Manjushataha suktam padam chitva riktasthanam purayata. Choose the appropriate word from the box and fill the line. Kenapi Pashena is the answer. It is 3rd number in the box. Mention there, write there 1. Kenapi Pashena Baddhaha. Okay. Then Paropakaraha Punyaya Papaya Parapidanam. 2nd one. Then Shrutehe Paramartham Murkhaha na jananti. Understood? Murkhaha. Third question answer is Murkhaha. Then Bahuni Ahani Vetikrantani. So many days gone. In the box, just you can take down 4312. Okay. Then question number 6. रेखांकितानि पदानि आश्रित्य प्रश्न निर्माणं कुरुतः. Frame the question by getting underlined word. Frame the question for this line. This is the question's meaning. Avayoho. Here you have to write kayoho. Just look at the underlined word. Rest of the things you don't take any necessary is not there. You don't think about those ununderlined words. Okay. Underlined word is avayoho, then you have to write answer is kayoho. Then second one, underlined word is marjaraha, answer is kaha. Don't write, when you are writing kaha, don't write her. Just put two dots in front of ka. Okay. Then nadi tere dharmavadi tishtati. Underlined word is nadi tere, so answer is kutra. Then ajavrihayaha is the underlined word, k is the answer. Ajavrihayaha tavat saptavarshikaha kathyante. Okay. This is about your third lesson, question answers. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Okay. Bye. Good night.